Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Netflix app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Netflix, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you'll enter to Netflix app. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on first app and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.